Hello everybody, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing. This short video is some information based on questions asked from our clients and from prospective clients. And that is how to fix a Garburator. So, there's not a whole lot you can do. So, as a homeowner, if you're trying to use your, by the way, a Garburator is a food waste disposal unit, if you're not familiar with the term. But if your Garburator is making a humming sound, so let's say you go to rotate it, either if it's a batch feed and you're turning it in the sink, or it's a switch feed, switch engagement. Either way, if it's making a humming sound, that indicates it is getting power. The motor is wanting to run, but it can't rotate. It means something's stuck in the blades. I do not recommend you putting your hand in there to get anything out. I don't recommend you disconnecting it. I don't recommend you doing anything to it. Give us a call and let us come out to deal with it. It's just too dangerous. And as a professional, I'd feel unprofessional advising you to do anything on your own. If you try to operate your Garburator and there's no sound at all, it could mean that something perhaps was stuck briefly and it kind of engaged a default setting to shut the unit off as a precautionary measure. And that in that space, all you got to do is hit the little tiny red button under the Garburator, right underneath, under the cabinet. It's a little square red button. It's a reset button. And if you just press that, it'll reset it, kind of like a GFI and a wall plug, and it should start working again. But if your Garburator is a few years old and you use it regularly and it's sounding off or it's doing that too often, it's probably time to replace it. Give us a call. We can help you, whatever it is that you need, whatever route you want to take. We'll give you some options and we'll proceed with whatever you're comfortable with. Again, it's Rafi. Give us a call. We got a great team here, 905-597-8555. Thanks and stay safe.